Is it your birthday? Watch me. Shiloh, watch me. Is it your birthday? Hi, everybody. So we are here making Shiloh's 4th birthday cake. So this is a recipe I've always made for the dogs for their cake. So one of the main ingredients is carrots, which we had gone to the farm and picked some up. So you just want to make sure you're washing your carrot off good. Get that taken care of. And then we've got I personally like to peel the outside layer of skin off. I don't enjoy eating it, so I don't feed it to my dogs. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel all that excess outside skin off and get that taken care of so that we can get this cake going. And what you're gonna do is preheat your oven to 350. And this is a really simple recipe. Nothing hard whatsoever. Like I said, I've been using it for years and the girls just love it. Absolutely love it. Get rid of that end, that end. And then I'm gonna get a plate here. And what we need to do is shred a cup of carrots. So, like I said, it's a pretty easy recipe to do. And what I usually do, or what we do, is we give them each a piece of cake on whoever's birthday it is, and cut a little bit bigger one because we let them have a little extra that night because it's a birthday. And then what I'll do is cut the rest of them into like 1-inch squares, the rest of the cake. And then I freeze it. So then at night, for a treat, before they go to bed, they get to have a piece of cake or whatever treat we choose that night. And it works good. They love it. It freezes well. And what I found is if you buy the carrots from a farm or a farmer's market, somewhere local, fresh grown, they actually freeze better in there. The ones from the store I've actually had turn green inside the cake. And that was just that wasn't cool. I wasn't about to give my dogs green carrot. So this looks to be about a cup. So I'd say we're going pretty good on that. All right, we'll leave it at that. And do that as our cup of carrots. And then I leave a little extra nub that's washed and cut off and give that to the dogs later because they both absolutely love carrots. So now just put my cup of carrots in here. No particular order. All right, so I've got my carrots in here. And then, sorry, I'm gonna reach behind you and grab my iPad here. Okay, then I've got a 1/4 cup of cooking oil. So we'll pour that in. And then we do a 1/3 cup of honey. It's optional. I like to do it. It makes it a little sweeter. And I just get an organic honey from one of the apple orchards or whoever has it around here. Then what you're gonna do is add in a 1/4 cup of peanut butter and get that in there. And again, using my finger because the dogs really don't care. They could care less if I use my finger or not. Okay, so what we're gonna do is mix together and then we're gonna put in an egg. It's gonna be the egg, the peanut butter, the oil, vanilla, and honey. We got the egg in there. Oh, we got a 2 yolker. Cool. And what we're gonna do then is just take a whisk and mix this all together. And this is the best part. You don't even need to get out your electric mixer, stand mixer, nothing. That's what I like. Because less dishes to do. Mix it all up. It's gonna be a nice creamy consistency like that. go. Get that mixed good. Then get rid of the whisk. And then we are going to put in the flour, which I use half white regular flour, half wheat flour. And then I've got a teaspoon of baking soda. That went in. And then a teaspoon of vanilla. And get that in there. There we go. And then you're gonna want to have your pan greased ahead of time. And then all we're gonna do is mix together. And so there we're gonna be a nice thick mixture. So not too shabby. And then what we'll do, I just use a round pan and plop that in there like so. And get that in there. Get the rest of all the good carrots and yummies out of there. And then I just flatten it down so that it's spread out throughout the whole pan. There we go. And I try to get it as flat as possible, just so it's nice and even and looks nice. It doesn't really need to be, but I prefer it like that. So I'm just kind of try to flatten it all down. There we go. And then what you're gonna do is put it in the oven for 40 minutes. So what we'll do is go ahead and get that in the oven and then be back to you once the cake's done. All right, we've got the cake done. So we'll go ahead and pop it out of the oven. There we go, and that is what it looks like. And I'll just leave it for a few moments to settle in the pan, and then we'll flip it onto the rack so it can cool. So I'll just be going like that, and like that. Come on, legs, work with each other. There we go. And what works good for this? Tongs. Tongs work good to lift it off. There we go. Beautimous. And then, again, like this. And we've got Shy Shy's birthday cake all set and ready for her to enjoy tonight. Sit nice. Sit. You gotta sit nice. Oh, and a pink cake. There we go. Birthday cake time. You eating your cake? Chloe, no, that's Shy Shy's. Okay, all done. All done, Tootsie.
Got that out of the way.
You want to open your presents? Should we see what you got?
Shy Shy, what'd you get? What's this?
Watch out, baby. Chloe, not for you.
Shiloh. What's here?
Hey, what's in
Check
here?
that.
You got a little fox. Look how cute he is.
She's still checking
I
out
guess
cake
Chloe will
crumbs.
play with your fox. What's that? You're gonna bring the gift of the present for me. Shy Shy, what is this? There you go. Come here with it, weirdo. Okay then. Chloe, no.
Chloe, no.
Not for you. It's not your birthday. Your birthday's in April. Bring it here. Chloe, no, it's not for you. Your birthday is in April.
Sit.
All right, what's in there? Can you reach?
Sit.
Here, I'm gonna try to rip the other side here. What's in there? Oh, a bone!
Sit.
Look at, here's another bone. Shy. What's this? Chloe, no, not for you. What's this? You got this one? Shy, what's this? What's that? That's a funky springy thing. Come here, Shy. What's that? Where's that? Oh my goodness. Oh, somebody's very excited about her birthday presents. Oh my goodness.
What's this? What is that?
She says, I don't know.
What is this?
Oh goodness. Oh, we got a mess here. Look at your little wishbone bone. Here you go. Nope. You want that one? All right. Do you have a good birthday? Yay! Happy birthday.